I'm on the side of the F3, just on the way back from Carlos's Bucks party, and I noticed the vehicle was swaying chronically on the F3. Looking at the trees weren't swaying that much, so it definitely wasn't crosswind, so I thought I'd better pull over and have a look, and what I found was missing this bolt here, which retains the trailing arm for the rear axle. Somehow it must have come loose, and the bolt had worked its way out into the bush, so this whole arm was swaying around. I've managed to pull it back and knock it through, so I'm going to finish knocking it through, and hopefully the threads aren't damaged, so that I can find either a bolt to replace it that I can steal from somewhere else, or hopefully I can find some way of securing it so I can get home. It's not far to get home. If I can't safely secure this, then we'll have to give it a tow. So, be right back with an update. Okay, so here's a bit of a bush repair. There's not actually much lateral loading on the bolt, so we don't actually need to stop it ripping through here. But the vice grip's extremely tight on the thread, so that'll stop it coming out. And I've cable tied it to the trailing arm so that it won't drop down and skew onto the road. So there's plenty of clearance there, just going to take it easy, and we'll sort it out when we're back on home turf.